Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you the process that you can use to register or create your own Payoneer account. A Payoneer account is a digital payment platform that provide multiple currency virtual bank account, your USDT account, your Euro account, that allows you to receive and send money globally. So if you're looking for that account that will allow you to receive money in dollars and other currency, then Payoneer is the best choice. Though there's like a limitation here for us in Nigeria, whereby you cannot just have access to their dollar account, but you need to follow some processes which I will be explaining to you in this video. So let's go right into the video. So the first thing is to go to your browser and search for payoneer.com. So once you get to the dashboard, you just go to where it says register or sign in. So you have your email address ready. This is what we are going to use to sign in to the account. So once you click on sign up rather, or register. So once you click on sign up, then it's going to take you to this place. Then you're just going to say to get paid and send payment and more. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to a space where you're going to put in your email address. So it's just going to load for a while. So there you're going to put your email address. So once you put your email address, you say next. They're going to send an OTP to your email address. So you just put in into the box, then you say next. So you see it says how would you like to get paid. Just click on bank transfer. So once you click on it, you say next. So it says, is your business registered with any government or tax authority? So if you have a registered business, you just click yes. You click on yes, I own a registered business, but here we'll say no, my business isn't registered. So just go ahead and fill in your name, that is your name and your surname. So just go ahead and fill in. Once you are done filling that hub, you're going to click on next. So it will take you to the next phase of the registration. So once you click on next, so where do you live? Then we'll just say Nigeria. If you live in another country, you can just put it there. So I'll just search for Nigeria here. Then we just click on Nigeria, say next. Then you add your phone number because they're going to send a code to your phone number. So you click whether you want to receive the code from your WhatsApp or through SMS. So I'll just say send by SMS. You just click on that, send by SMS. Then you get a code, you put in into the box. Then you are going to press next. It will take you to the next level. You will get a code again through SMS to that phone number that you actually provided. Then you put it into the code, you enter the code. So once you enter the code, you are going to click on next. So it will take you to the next phase, that is to create our password. So just click on next when you are done putting your code. So this next phase is to create your password. So you can just use any password that you want. The instruction, how the password will be arranged is already there. That is, the first letter will be a capital letter, then the other letter, then you can add what's it called now, a number or a character. So just go ahead and do that here, then click on register. So once you click on register, you get an email address on the email that you used to register, that welcome to Payoneer. So let's just go ahead to the next phase. Okay, so provide info and document about your business. So you just click on the industry that you are working with. You can just click anything. It's really not that important, but I'll just go on and click on something. So which of these best describe how your business usually receive money? I click on Amazon. So which marketplace? I click on Amazon. I think I click on Fiverr. Then on Upwork. So you can just go through all those options that you have, go through them and click on any option that you prefer. You can click on a lot of things there, so you just say next. So they'll ask on what average is your transaction that you make every month. So you can just click on anything. So I'll say not yet, my business is just starting. So they say thanks for telling us about your business activities. Then this place is where you are going to continue your registration. That is by giving them the information, the document, your bank address. This is where you are going to link your local bank address. So let's just go right into it. So tell us how we can find your business online. If you have any social media accounts, if it's Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Amazon, just copy the URL of your channel, then click it, then you paste it here. So it will say where do majority of your business activity take place. You can click anywhere, Africa, Europe, anywhere. I just click Africa. Then the next thing is tell us about you. That is, you put your date of birth, your nationality, which is Nigeria, so we just put it there. Then the next thing is your resident address. That means you need to put the house address, the number, the code. If you are looking for how to generate your postcode, just go online and say zip code of so place. So the Google will just bring out the information that you need. You copy it, you paste it here, then it will move to your ID, because you're also going to drop your ID. You just click on the national ID, that is your NIN. The national ID is your NIN. You can click your passport if you have. So you are going to put your national ID number in this box, just that 11 number, then you're going to put it there. So once you are done, you click on next. So this is where we are going to. So the next step is for you to link your local bank account to your Payoneer account. So once the bank is linked, any money you receive here, you can easily withdraw it to your local bank, and you can add as many as possible. So I'll just go ahead and add my bank account. So it can be anyone. You can just throw it down. Almost all the banks that you are using in Nigeria is on this app. So you just click on the one you want to use, provide your number, that is your bank account number, then you press next. So this is where you confirm your information. Once you say confirm, then you are going to by verifying your face. So you also verify your NIN. You snap the NIN, they're going to verify it. So, and you will also verify your address. That's the next phase, that's the document phase. So I'm just going to do that here, then we'll move to the next phase. So just go ahead and do all those things that is required. This is what your dashboard will be looking like after you have actually verify your document, that is your address, your NIN, and or any other document that you have provided. So I think it will take about 2 days or 3 days. Then you're going to get an email address that your account is ready. So this is how your account will look like. This place is where you can receive the money, USDT, Euro, and other things. So you can request a payment, you can receive invoice to get paid into this account. So this is where you can also pay. You can ask someone that's already using a Payoneer account. You just generate this request and they will just fund your account. You can also get your card once you have received money that is up to like $100 on this account. So you can receive you can now apply for your card. This card, you can use it to do a lot of things, bank payment, online payment rather. So you can use it to do a lot of things. Then this is where you are going to get your expenses. We link our local bank the other time, so you can also remove that one that you link if you have a problem, or you easily had another one. So I eventually had my UB account to this Payoneer account. So if you come to this side, it says add account. You can add a lot of account to it. You can add up to, I think it's 15. So the only challenge that we have here is that we cannot, receive payment immediately. If you click on that USDT section, it will say that we are not eligible. The only way to receive payment is to follow some processes that I will be showing in the next video. So do well to subscribe to this channel so that when I drop that video, you are going to see it. So I'll be showing you the details on how to activate this account, that you'll be able to receive money. You'll be able to activate your USDT account, your Euro account. So they are going to give you your own personal account number that you can be using to do your transaction. So I think this video has been helpful in creating your accounts. The next phase is for us to now activate our USDT account, that is getting our own personal account number, where we can link to Fiverr, we can link to any other online platform like that. So I'll be dropping the video very soon, so do well to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Once again, my name is Timi, and welcome to Explore with Timi. Bye.